Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KTOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do those a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere, all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first big update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, and it actually played out perfectly here. But that rule states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see right here, 88 cents talked about as support, but with the price moving down below it this morning, you can see the price just could never build any sort of momentum. Sure, the price got above it a couple times, but as soon as that happened, it's like the momentum just disappeared. And then the last 30 minutes right there, price just, straight up got rejected by it. So a point here being that if there is going to be any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, 87 cents remains that initial area of resistance. If that level can be broken, next key level up there, the purple line, which on my chart represents the 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is at 95 cents. But really, before you put too much focus, or really any focus at all, on that 50-period moving average, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, I'm defining as getting up above 87 cents. As far as areas of support are concerned, the main level that a whole lot of people are already watching, so this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you, but a lot of people are going to be watching that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200-period moving average. I mean, even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see it act as support. So a lot of people will be watching that area going forward. But all in all, the price continues to drift lower and lower, but the good news is the week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.